Hello there. Welcome to the Tax Plan Academy. Today, we're going to discuss the five simple strategies business owners are using to reduce their taxes, increase cash flow, save for retirement while reducing expenses. Who am I? My name is Buseya Gonsonia, and I've been a CPA for over 15 years. That's a certified public accountant. I also hold a master's in taxation from Fordham University. I'm also a co-founder of an AI tax startup called MUSE. As you can see, we've been featured in the Wall Street Journal. I've been in Forbes magazine, Accounting Today, and Crain's magazine. I'm also an author, and I've wrote the best-selling tax guide for 2022. But more importantly, over the last 15 years, I've saved taxpayers close to $100 million in savings. Who's this webinar for? This is for any business owner who has been overpaying the IRS. This is for any business owner who works with an accountant but does not do any tax planning. This webinar is also for any business owner who is sick and tired of losing their hard-earned money to the IRS. You know, whether you're stuck with a massive tax bill or feel like you're overpaying every year, either way, this presentation is for you. In the next 30 minutes, you will learn how to reduce your taxes legally, how to increase your cash flow without increasing expenses, how to maximize your retirement while reducing your taxable income, how to increase your net worth without overpaying the IRS, how to maximize tax deductions without being a rockstar CPA, and lastly, how to plan for your financial future with certainty. My big promise to you is to show you a step by step formula to reducing your taxes, increasing your cash flow, increasing your net worth while saving for retirement in 5 weeks. Does this sound like you? Do you wake up dreading to pay the IRS? Do you work with an accountant but you do not do any tax planning? Are you worried that the more money you make, the more taxes you pay? Are you working more and overpaying taxes? Are you secretly terrified that your income, your net worth, and retirement will not grow due to taxes and a lack of an adequate tax plan? The real problem is you haven't made these shifts. Once you make them, you'll be able to pay off debt. You'll be able to fund your retirement. You'll be able to save more for yourself. You'll be finally be able to start your kids' college fund. Once you make these shifts, you will jump out of bed bursting with energy and excitement. You'll be able to invest more in your business to grow. You'll be finally be able to purchase the dream home you've always wanted with money saved. You get the results you've always wanted, which is peace of mind. I learned these five shifts as a CPA, founder, entrepreneur with a master's in taxation. These are the five shifts that makes business owners successful. I noticed these shifts as I scaled my CPA into a high-figure monthly business. I discovered that the people that made lasting changes had certain things in common with each other. These five shifts were the critical difference between the ones who got results and the ones who didn't. And today, I'm going to share them with you. The first shift you have to understand is tax entity optimization. Tax entity optimization is the key to maintaining and growing a successful business. Believe it or not, business owners need to know if they're an LLC, S Corp, or C Corporation. As you know, taxes is one of your largest business expense. Do you want to grow? Do you want to stay in business? Do you want to pay less in taxes? You have to understand tax entity optimization. And lastly, a lot of business owners do not understand that within the first 5 years in business, 50% of businesses fail, and taxes is the major factor. The second shift I'm going to discuss is time based strategies. It does not matter how amazing of a business owner you are. You must think like a CPA. You must think of time based strategies to reduce your tax bill, such as 401k deferrals to shift the tax on deferred income until you take out your account, recognizing expenses in a higher income period. And the reality is, most colleges do not prepare business owners to understand these time based strategies. As a business owner, you must have an innovative and entrepreneurship mindset to succeed. So, right now, I'm going to walk you guys through a case study of a client I work with, Ryan Thompson. Ryan is a business owner and investor in New York. Ryan came to us lost and unsure how to build his business. What we did for Ryan is implementing the five shifts you guys see here. And right now, we're going to discuss one of our biggest and secret sauce, the income tax method. This is the old way business owners used to run their business. Business owners are used to operating the business on hope, such as hire external consultants with little or no business experience, hire consultants who are not licensed CPAs, hire consultants who have not built a business, but also applying financial metrics that do not make any sense. In addition, a lot of business owners do not do any tax planning or implement tax strategies. And also, business owners typically overspend on overhead and employees. I call this cross finger business ownership, and that's not good. This is the new way, the income tax method. The income tax method is a simple method of reducing your taxes on a quarterly basis by applying green lights. Here's the bottom line: most tax professionals are so busy doing taxes that they forget to focus on the red lights. That's important because blowing through red lights is what gets you in trouble with the IRS. But they don't take the time, and in many cases, don't have specialized training to look for the green lights that can help you pay so much less in taxes. Looking for the green lights and implementing strategies to take advantage of those green lights is what separates planning from projections. This is the income tax method, and it's very powerful. It's powerful because it eliminates ineffective business planning. It eliminates ineffective tax planning. It also introduces quarterly cash flow management, which helps business owners like you manage accounts receivable. We also introduce various retirement strategies to the business, allow for opportunities for code based strategies such as Section 179, allow for opportunities for product based insurance planning. So, right now, I'm going to walk you guys through a quick recap. So, at this point, we know we must have tax entity optimization. We also have to understand time based tax strategies. We also discuss applying the income tax method factor. So, the next shift we're going to discuss is code based tax strategies. There are code product based tax strategies that help business owners reduce their taxes, increase their income, increase your cash flow, and helps them save for retirement. The reality is, no one tells you your business is different. Honestly, you cannot apply traditional code and product based tax strategies without adequate tax planning. And frankly, there are and hundreds of code and product based tax strategies available to business owners. Here are some of the code and product based tax strategies available, such as separate managed accounts, insurance and annuities, solo 401ks, self-directed IRAs, SEP IRAs, cash balance plans, and the tax code has hundreds and hundreds of this. If you're not actively using one of these shifts in your business, that's not a good sign. The last shift we share with our business owners is invest in expert help. As a business owner, you should surround yourself with first-rate advisors. By watching this webinar, it shows you're ready to take your business to the next level. We work with subject matter expert, and we help you shorten the learning curve. And the reality is, you go back to what you enjoy, being a business person. Honestly, trying to learn these shifts without proper guidance is crazy. I've personally invested in my self development, and I've spent over $120,000 in training and mentorship. Honestly, don't go at it alone. Find the best advice out there and spend whatever it takes to work with them. A good coach will help and provide you with new ideas and help you be accountable. Honestly, don't go at it alone. Find the best mentor out there and spend whatever it takes to work with them. It will make the difference between success or failure. Today, I promised you, and I showed you guys how to reduce your tax legally, how to increase your cash flow without increasing expenses, how to maximize your retirement while reducing your taxable income, how to increase your net worth without overpaying IRS, how to maximize tax deductions without being a rockstar CPA, and lastly, how to plan for your financial future with certainty. This is what you need to do to win. The five shifts: tax entity optimizations, time based strategies, the income tax method, code and product based strategies, invested in expert help. These five shifts alone are enough to help you reduce your taxes, increase cash flow, save for retirement while reducing your expenses. Now you have a choice, and this is how I can help. I've set aside some time in the next 48 hours to speak to you in person about how you can apply these shifts to your business today. You know, whatever your biggest challenge is, I've seen them in business. I'm a founder, entrepreneur, business owner. And this year, we are only looking to work with 50 business owners this year. And we had 85% complete in our goal. This is how I can help. We'll get on the phone for 45 minutes. And on this session, I will work with you to craft a step by step game plan to help you reduce your taxes, increase your cash flow, and help scale your business. And the course is absolutely free. Who's this webinar for? This is for any business owner who has a burning desire to implement changes in their business, any business owner who's coachable and open minded, any business owner willing to take massive action. If that is you, book a session right now. You're probably thinking, why am I doing this? I do this because I'm passionate about entrepreneurs who take risks to build their dreams and dedicate themselves to a specialized craft. Plus, I know that you might want my help to transform your business. If so, we can discuss it and see if it's a good fit for you. Or if not, that's fine too. So right now, click here, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.